Look at this. Now, this is the magnetized version, right? It is really tight in there, and not only on top of that, anytime you put the mount, you actually mount the actual pencil in there. It tells you how much percent. Right now, it's 100% charged. Now, the pencil itself works really. It's one of the best programs I use for the pencil because it doesn't recognize your finger. And I've been drawing a lot of stuff, lines and stuff like that, and it's perfect. And you don't need any gloves or anything like that. This is another option for those people that can't afford the Wake Up tablet or any other tablet. This is a great option because of the purchases. Now, the only part, the pen is a little expensive. They pretty much just give you the instructions, the pen itself, no charging mechanism, and that's it. So to sync it up and and charge it, like I said, it's gonna be on the iPad Pros that you currently have, and the charging station is right on the top of it, and it pretty much just logs in